Hello, namaste, welcome to Easy Yoga and more. I'm Aditi and today we are going to talk about that one thing that everyone is talking about. Protein, 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 protein. It is everywhere. आप कहीं भी जाओ, आप कोई डाइट प्लान लेना चाहते हो, add more protein. Go to the gym, protein. The trainer will tell you take protein. Instagram, YouTube, every single where it's trending, है ना? Protein is trending. अब आप weight loss के लिए किसी nutritionist के पास जाओ या फिर आप जॉइंट हेल्थ के लिए किसी ऑर्थो के पास जाओ, आप किसी डॉक्टर के पास जाओ फॉर लो एनर्जी. आई मीन आई डोंट नो, लाइक अ गुड डॉक्टर विल एक्चुअली, लाइक मोस्ट डॉक्टर्स विल जस्ट गिव यू अ पिल और समथिंग फॉर ऑल ऑफ दीज इश्यूज, बट अ गुड डॉक्टर विल एक्चुअली test and check and ask you what your routine looks like, what your lifestyle looks like, what you eat, etc., and then eventually shayad wo bhi at some point might come down to protein if there's no other medical issue. So every single where every person is talking about this, and at some point all of this becomes very overwhelming. It starts to feel like a lot of noise. You do not know what to क्या पकड़ूँ मैं, इससे क्या इन्फॉर्मेशन लूँ, मैं क्या छोड़ दूँ, क्या मेरे लिए सही है, क्या मेरे लिए गलत है. We do not know. So in this video I am going to give you facts straight up. No hype, no exaggeration, just simple facts, and by the end of this video you decide for yourself if your body needs protein or not. Okay, so now let us remove all the advice aside. ये जो सारा इतना सारा ज्ञान है प्रोटीन के बारे में, let us keep it aside and just observe, just try to recall the women in your life in the age group of 40s, 50s, 60s and 70s. Try to observe, try to recall how were they 10 years ago, a decade ago, or how were they half a decade ago, 5 years ago. Of course, there will be some signs of aging. I'm not talking about the basic things, but this is what you will notice. Their strength has drastically reduced. They have a lot of mood swings. Energy levels are extremely inconsistent. They have fat gain has become a lot more easier, especially around the abdomen. Weight management has become so tough. Even when the lifestyle is same, food habits same hai, sab kuch same hai. Bones have started to give up everywhere. Every joint is probably hurting. एंड देन रिकवरी भी बहुत स्लो हो चुकी है. मतलब इफ देयर सिक या फिर उनको कोई इंजुरी हो गई है तो द रिकवरी इज एक्सट्रीमली स्लो. नाउ आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट none of these women are active, okay? They are probably going for walks every single day. They are doing a lot of household work, household chores. They could be doing yoga, they could be doing some other kind of cardio like walk, like swimming or playing a sport, active sport, etc. तो ये सारे women active है. Now let's see what protein does. Protein has amino acids, and amino acids, they are kind of the building blocks for our muscles. So now let's talk about the physiology of all this. हमारी body जो है primarily it is made up of muscles and bones, है ना? This is what supports the entire structure. It's called the musculoskeletal system. अब ये जो हमने previous issues discuss किए, the issues that we are observing in the women around us, these issues arise because something is not being managed or maintained when it comes to the musculoskeletal system, especially the muscles, because the muscles are what kind of hold us together. They help us move, they help us carry the most basic functions out. For example, जैसे हमारा heart भी pump हो रहा है, we are moving, our digestion, this everything is muscles. This is a muscle, this is a muscle, this is a muscle, this is a muscle. It's made up of all the cartilages, all the ligaments and tendons and muscles and everything, right? Every little movement muscles के वजह से हो रहा है. Digestion, heart pumping, there's a muscle in the heart that keeps pumping non-stop. And then muscles store a lot of minerals, okay? So now what does protein have to do with all of this? What is important is muscle, right? Muscle important है, muscle रहना चाहिए body में. So what happens? Protein has this thing called amino acids. Protein gives us amino acids. Now amino acids is like the building block for the muscles inside our body. The muscle tissues, they need amino acids to build, to repair, to support. For everything related to muscles, amino acids zaruri hai. Do you think everything is about appearance? Do you think that the muscles that we have, they're only like we only need them in order to look good, in order to stay in shape, in order to have a nice, body? Absolutely not. Muscles किस लिए है? They are here to keep us strong. They are here for our stability. They are here for our strength, for our structure, everything. Now what happens with time, as in when you grow old, especially in case of women, late 20s से ही muscle loss start होता है. Gradually, the number is anywhere between, for example, every year you probably are losing 1 to 2% of a muscle, or from a more broader perspective, about 5 to 10% over a decade. ठीक है? तो इतना जब आप मसल ग्रेजुअली, इट डजंट हैपन ऑल एट वंस, ठीक है, ग्रेजुअली धीरे 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 मसल लूज हो रहा है. नाउ दैट इज व्हाई यू सी दैट योर मॉम और योर ग्रैंड मॉम और योर आंट, योर सिस्टर, द वुमेन अराउंड यू, the way they looked in their 40s, they do not look the same in their 50s, right? अब ये जो muscle loss का process है, it's called sarcopenia. I've already explained to you what sarcopenia means. Now, what does protein have to do with all of this? If you are losing muscle gradually as you age, and if you don't give your body the one thing that is helping you build muscle, how will you remain the same, or how will you remain fit, or how will you still have a toned body, still have all that energy, how will you still have all the functions of your body running properly? Because you're not giving it enough protein, है ना? So what protein does basically is helps us build muscle, helps us maintain muscle, helps us carry out the basic functions of our life easily. So now you know the basics. What is happening? Every single thing, right from how you function, if you want to feel great, if you want to feel strong, if you want to be able to live a good quality life, if your heart, your digestion, your skin, hair, nails, everything need to be great, everything needs to function optimally, if you need to feel at the top of your energy, or you need to just have consistent energy levels, you need to have a good muscular system. You need to have your muscles to be nice and healthy, for which you need to consume protein, right? See, it all boils down to one thing, कि आप, do you want to give your body the one thing that will help it maintain itself, one of the many things that will help it maintain itself? If the answer is yes, you are going to have a nice maintained body and health for a long time in your life. Protein also supports the bone structure. Bones में एक collagen matrix रहता है, which is like the base for minerals like calcium. Protein is in our hair, in our skin, in our nails. Everywhere there is protein. You also, hemoglobin is a protein. So you need your muscles to transport that HB to the rest of your body, everything, right? It influences your daily satiety, मतलब आपको भूख कितनी लगनी चाहिए, आप कितने full हो, etc. etc. It influences your energy levels. It influences the absorption of blood sugar in your body. It also influences the satiety, मतलब आप कितना full feel कर रहे हो, how often will you be hungry, what are your energy levels. It influences insulin, it influences your blood sugar levels, it influences almost every single thing in your body. अब जब मैं ये बातें घर पे बताती हूँ, या जब आप ये बातें घर पे बताओगे, what do the women in my house, or what do the women around me, they say? हम तो पहले से नॉर्मल खाना ही खाते आ रहे हैं. Protein is just a fad, it is just a trend. I don't know what has changed. All of this is just the brands trying to fool you, and you guys are fools and you get fooled easily. Tell me something. There is a huge shift in the way we live our life as compared to, like, they compare themselves to their grandmoms and their moms who have lifted a lot of weights, who had protein in their food consistently, and no, you are not eating like your ancestors. I'm betting you on this, because our ancestors ate protein in every single meal. There was some kind of lentil or pulse or good quality dairy or good quality meat in their plate at all times in every meal. Do you eat the same today? No, we do not. Our physical activity has drastically reduced. We do not have physical activity as a part of our daily life. It was like lifting weights was a part of their daily life at that point, right? At that point in time. Huge gap that has been created. Your protein intake has our protein intake in fact has reduced. It's not even the same. हमने maintain तक नहीं किया है जो वो लोग खाते थे और अभी जो हम लोग खाते हैं. We've not even maintained the levels. We have drastically reduced because most of our meals are like convenience based now. Home cooked meals ज़्यादा है नहीं, और जो लोग home cooked meals बना भी रहे हैं, there is not enough protein in every meal. There are very few hand picked households जहाँ पे ये everyday बन रहा है. That is why the gap was created, and that is why every single person now is discussing about protein, because that is what is important. That is why these health issues are now arising. If your question is what protein should I eat, should I buy the protein powders from the market, do I get it at home, what is it, etc, etc, this is a different conversation altogether. Stay tuned to figure that out in one of my next videos, but until then, take some more time and decide if you are going to consume enough protein for yourself or not, for yourself and for the people you love. Have a beautiful day.